Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm going to show you how we are going to make these very cute, very lovely crochet cat appliques. Look, they are so small. In one round I'm making them. It is really so lovely as appliques. You can ornament your crochet blankets, crochet baby hats, baby beanies, cardigans, anything you can imagine. You can use these appliques, dear friends. It is also so easy. In one round you are making, for this reason, a few hours you can make many. Okay, dear friends, let's go on how to make this. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much, dears. Let's go on how to make this. This time I'm going to use green color. Just a small yarn is enough for this project. For this reason, it's a very nice crochet idea if you want to use your scrap yarns. They are really so lovely. You can ornament gift boxes also with these. You can ornament crochet small bags such as phone bags or earpod bags. It's really lovely, dear friends. And for this project I'm using 3mm hook and sewing up the eyes, nose and mustache. We will going to use small yarns like this. Okay, let's go on how to make this. I'm using cotton yarn for this project. We are starting by making magic ring. I'm doing magic ring like this. First of all, I am making one chain to fix the magic ring, yarn over, and now I am going to make 4 double crochet. This is double crochet 1, this is double crochet 2, one moment, like this. This is double crochet 3, and this is double crochet 4. For the ears I'm making 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. I am inserting my hook in the second chain and I am making a slip stitch like this. I am going to the following stitch, chain 1, and making a single stitch. Now I am inserting my hook on top of the 4th double crochet, yarn over, pull through, making a single stitch. One ear is finished. I am going to make 2 double crochet. This is double crochet 1 and this is double crochet 2. These 2 double crochets are between the ears. Now I am making 3 chains again, 1, 2 and 3. In the second chain I'm inserting my hook, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch. I am going to the chain 1, yarn over, pull through. This time I am going to make a single stitch and I am inserting my hook on top of the last double crochet here. I am inserting my hook on top of this one, yarn over, pull through, making a single crochet. Second ear is okay. Now we are making 4 more double crochet. This is double crochet 1, this is double crochet 2, this is double crochet 3, and this is double crochet 4. Okay, it's been like this. That's all, dear friends. Now I am going to pull the yarn end. I am keeping like this and pulling. Okay, I am inserting my hook in the loop. Now I will close this space. For this reason I am inserting my hook on top of the first double crochet here, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch. Look, it is closed, making one chain. Now we are cutting the yarn. Okay, that's all. Now I am going to hide these yarn ends. I'm going to use a darning needle in order to hide the yarn end. Inserting my hook through the hole of the needle. Okay. From the back side through the stitches, I am pulling through the needle. I am pulling it. A few times I am going to do this. Okay. Yes. Now I am cutting the yarn. Taking my scissors, cutting it. I'm going to hide the other yarn end in the same way, but it is small. For this reason, first of all, I am going through the stitches in the back side. Now I am going to go through the yarn end through the needle space like this. Okay. Now I can make it pull. Okay. I am cutting. Yes. The main part of the cat is finished. We can make the ears more pointy with our hands by shaping it. You can leave it like this, dear friends. The main pattern is like this, but we can ornament it with ears, mustache, nose, mouth. I will do it. I am taking a needle in my hand, but this needle is not the one. This is darning needle, woolen needle. This needle is for normal sewing up. You see the space of the hole is small, and also we need a very thin yarn. If you have sewing up threads, you can use it, but I don't have. For this reason, what I am doing to get this kind of thin yarns, this is normal crochet yarn. You see it has some place. I'm just pulling like this. Now I have a small thread. We are going to make the eyes, dear friends, here and here. We are going to make the eyes. I am making a triangle shape, dear friends, like this. I am coming here. We have a small eye. We can make a few more. One eye is okay. Turning back. And cutting. I am going to make the other eye like this. I am making a knot in the edge from back side to front. I am inserting the needle. We are making the eye in the triangle shape. A few times we can do it. Okay, eyes are finished. Now we are going to make the nose and the mouth. I am going to use a pink color for this. I am normally a crochet yarn using, and darning needle I am going to use. I am making a knot at the edge. And first of all, we are starting for the nose from back side to front, like this, inserting my hook. We can make once again. Nose is okay. Now we are going to make the mouth. Once again, I am doing. Okay, mouth is finished. I am fixing the yarn in the back side and cutting the rest. Okay, now we are going to make the mustache like this. For the mustache, we need a normal sewing up needle and also a thin thread. I am taking the cat applique in my hand. From back side to front, I'm inserting my needle. It is very easy, just making a triangle shape like this, coming in the same place. One moment, making the other. Okay, this side is finished. I am doing the same thing at the other side. It is finished. I am turning the back side, fixing the yarn, and cutting. Okay, we finished the very lovely, very tiny, cute cat applique. You can make them in different colors. I really loved each colors a lot. Okay, dear friends, we came to the end of another project video. Hope you like this project. Hope you like these very beautiful, cute cat appliques. I will go on sharing this kind of video tutorials. I'll be happy if you subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much, dears. See you in the coming videos.